How to change your shipping courier in Shopee. In this video, you will learn the 3 simple steps in choosing or changing your allocated courier in Shopee. If you watch until the end of this video, I will show you the steps you need to take on how to choose the best allocated courier on Shopee and give you some tips on how to optimize shipping process. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and kung bago ko pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! Choosing the right courier for your Shopee store is crucial for the success of your business. Here are some tips on how to choose the right courier in Shopee. Evaluate your shipping needs. Before choosing a courier, you should evaluate your shipping needs. Consider factors such as the volume of orders you receive, the distance of your customers, and the nature of the products you sell. This will help you identify the features you need in a courier service such as speed, reliability, and affordability. Check available couriers on Shopee. Shopee offers a range of couriers that you can choose from, including J&T Express, Ninja Van, and other couriers. You can compare the delivery time, service coverage, and the pricing of each courier to make an informed decision. Make sure to check the courier's coverage area and delivery time to ensure that it aligns with your business needs. Look at customers' review. Another way to gauge the quality of courier service is by looking at the customer's review. Shopee allows customers to rate their experience with each courier services, which can help you identify potential issues or red flags. Next is consider the cost. Shipping costs can add up quickly and eat into your profits. So it's important to consider the cost of each courier service. Some couriers may offer lower rates but may have longer delivery time or limited coverage, while others may be more expensive but offer faster and more reliable services. Next is try different couriers. Once you've chosen a courier, it's a good idea to try out different couriers over time. This will help you evaluate the quality of service and identify any issues that may arise. If a courier consistently fails to meet your expectations, consider switching to another courier that better meets your needs. By following these tips, you can choose the right courier for your Shopee store and ensure that your products are delivered in timely and reliable manner to your customers. So now let's hop on the screen record tutorial on how to change or how to choose your shipping provider in Shopee. Let's go. Hi guys, this is Archie Noche and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to change your courier in Shopee. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to, and smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today and I'll see you on the next vlog.